Hi everyone, my name is Paolo, and I'm here to tell you all the secrets of PubCoder. In this video, I'm going to talk about the masked image. The masked image is a special image object with an overlay layer that the user can delete by scrolling with the mouse or finger. The overlay can be a visual effect, such as grayscale, sepia, blur, or another image of the same size. After dragging it to the stage from the selection window, by clicking on the plus, we can choose the image to be masked and pick it from the asset library directly from our computer or get it from the web. The masked image object has the same properties as the standard image object. That's why you can rotate and zoom the image inside the object. To set the masked image effect, let's navigate to the selection window and scroll down to the masked image item. Through the mask mode item, it is possible to choose what effect apply to the object. We can choose from grayscale, sepia, blur, brightness, contrast, hue, invert, saturate. Once you choose the effect, you can also decide the value of the effect and the size of the area that the end user erases with his finger or mouse. Another way to employ the masked image is to use another image as an overlay layer. Under mask mode, let's choose mask image and select the image to be inserted and the size of the area the user deletes. Let's see a preview of the object. As you can see, when I move over the masked object by clicking with the mouse, the top layer disappears, revealing the hidden image underneath.